Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. In this video I'm going to share with you a simple side hustle that is that easy you can do it all from just your phone. Now for this I'm going to show you exactly how you can get paid to create names, and you might be wondering, well, why would anyone pay me to create a name or suggest a name? Well, there's a number of websites which will pay you for this. So this is one website over here. Now if I come over here, I'll just share this person over here. Look, this is over on a website called Fiverr. I've typed in business names. People are offering these services where basically, look, I will create 10 catchy business names. I will provide you with 10 catchy business names. Sounds simple enough, doesn't it? If I actually go into one of these gigs here, this person is charging £15. They've currently got 4 orders in the queue, and they've also had 86 previous gigs which are jobs that they've completed with an overall rating of 4.8. Now if you watch this video till the end, I'll share with you a piece of software which is 100% free, which will allow you to create these business names and domain names in about 30 seconds. Okay, so let's jump into this video and I'll walk you through this whole process from start to finish. Okay, so this is website number 1, and there's going to be a few of these that I'm going to share with you because you can get paid to suggest a domain name, you can come up with slogan ideas and lots more, and all of these can be done incredibly quick. So over on this website here, it's called Picky Domains. You can see it's the world's risk-free naming service. So what happens on here, look, people come to this platform when they're looking for a perfect name for their website, company, app or service, and basically people will pay this website here and then they offer people the opportunity, like me and you, to go ahead and give suggestions. And if we scroll down here, you can see they've got some numbers about the website here. Look, take a look at some of the names we've created for different clients. So these are all different names which people have suggested over on this platform, and they've been paid for doing so. Now, it sounds straightforward and simple, doesn't it? You might be wondering, how much can you get paid for this? And how many opportunities are available? So if I come over here, let me jump inside of here, this is currently inside of Picky Domains. Now if I scroll down here, you can see we have a title over here, and basically it will tell you about what this is. So you can see here, look, brand name for a clothing company. We are looking for a name for a clothing brand, few facts about the brand. And then if we come over here, you can see the reward. So you will actually get paid $47.68 to go ahead and come up with suggest a brand name for a clothing company. Scroll further on the page here, look, a domain name for a video photo creators platform, $47. Come down here, $48.64. You can see all of the amounts of money that you can potentially earn from this. You can also see over here where it says all suggestions, so like this one here, they've had 957 people who have submitted an idea for this one here. Same one here, so you can go ahead and have a look at this, and it also shows you the last suggestion, the date and time. So like you can see here, today's date is the 30th, somebody suggested literally today. So if you click on any of these, it will tell you a bit more about this. So come down here, look, we're looking for a name for a clothing brand, tells you some facts about this. And then they also sometimes as well look, suggestions for suggested names, pleasant and easy to pronounce, and they give you a bit more about this, 1 or 2 words. It is desirable but not critical that one of the words begins with some of these letters over here. And then if you come down here, look, so basically they want one of these letters here so that they can come up with a rounded logo or a belt buckle from capital letters, and they even give you examples of these. So if I click on here, you can see this is kind of where they're going with, where they'd like their brand to be. So if I click on back, this is it basically. So that's one example for you. So if I click on back over here, so you can literally, what I would do with this is come over to this website, pickydomains.com, create an account for free, and then literally just go into these and literally just start applying basically. Now this is just one website where you can get paid to come up with ideas and suggestions. Another website which you can go ahead and have a look at is this one over here, and it's called Slogan Slingers. Now over on this website here, look, brilliant slogans and names, and it's exactly the same it works the same as the website that we've just looked at. People come over here when they're looking for, you can see, look, I need a slogan or a name for my company, service, product, event, or something else. So that they're stuck for ideas. So again, they come over to websites like this one here, this Slogan Slingers, and they will pay the people on this platform to come up with an idea. Okay, and again, on the homepage here, look, they show you the clients and also the slogan and taglines which were created previously. Okay. So you can go ahead and have a look at this. Now, to write slogans over on this website, you just come here where it says write slogans, and it shows you, again, it will literally walk you through, look, have fun, make money, show the world you're a creative genius. Now this website over here, this is available in US, UK, Australia, and many more places around the world. But literally, just go ahead and create an account, and once you're inside of here, you can start creating slogans and names. Now, I said to you at the beginning of this video, I'd share with you some softwares which you can use to speed up this entire process. Now, at this moment in time, we've looked at Slogan Slingers, and we also had a look at Picky Domains. Over on this website here, this is called Fiverr.com. Basically, what happens on this website is people are putting up these are known as gigs, but basically they're a listing. So you can create an account on Fiverr for free, and you can go ahead and put up a listing like these yourself. So if I come over here into this one here, look, this person here, they're a level 2 seller. They're charging £15.61, so I'm in the UK, so it's UK pricing, and for that they will give you 10 catchy business brand names with matching domains. Okay, so that's £15. If I click on standard, it's now £35, and they will give you 12 names plus domains plus social handles. And if I click on premium, I mean, look at this, £50 to come up with business names and some slogan ideas. If I come down here, you can read a bit more about this, who the person is, what's included, what's not included, and you can scroll forward on the page here, and you normally get to see, look, you can see feedback on here. You can go through and have a look at this. Okay, but this is again another way how you can make some simple money with this this side hustle of creating names. Now, if we come over here onto Google, I've just typed in generate a business name. If I scroll down here, look, we've got lots of these. So we've got the free business name generator. So you can come in here and use this one. You've got this one here. Look, free AI powered naming software. So let's just have a click on this one over here. And look, business name generator. Generate a short brandable business name using artificial intelligence. And in here, you would put in keywords. So if we remember over on Picky Domains, let's just go into here. Let's just click on this one here. So 1 or 2 keywords desirable. Pleasant and easy to pronounce, Palm Angels. So we want, look. So they're giving you some suggestions on here. So what you would do is you would come over here into this business name, and we would literally enter some keywords and then click on generate. So if I come back over here, clothing brand. So I'm going to go with, that's a keyword. Let's just go with clothing brand. Let's put that in here. That is one of our keywords, and we'll come back over here, see if there's anything else in here. Target audience, active lifestyle. Let's just take that keyword there, and we'll put that into here too, and we'll click on generate. Look, select at least one name length, so we want a short name, and we'll click on next, and we've got name style. So look, brandable names like Google. Well, we've got this one here, non-English words, misspellings, and look, they're giving you all of these examples. But let's just go with this one here and click on generate. And literally, this is going to do the work for us. Now look at this. It's given us all of these examples here, and literally you just scroll through and have a look at these. So you can literally take any of these and go ahead and suggest this. Now, one thing I will say on here is, like you see this one here, this Clovery, you can see clovery.com. This is a domain which is already for sale. So we're not suggesting a name, we're not suggesting a domain. We could take this as an example and we could, change this and have a look at this. But look, like this one here, no one's got this name here, so you could go with this one. We've got this one, this one, this one. So this software over here, this name links, this creates, literally you can scroll through and you can see there's so many of these. Now the other one we looked at over here was Slogan Slingers, whereby you create a slogan, and it's literally the same thing. Go over onto a search engine and just type in slogan generator. Click on there. And again, you'll find hundreds of these. Look, free slogan maker, online slogan maker generator, this one, and this one. And like, I appreciate you might be thinking, well, if this is free, why would anybody be paying you or using websites like this one or over on Fiverr? Why would they be doing this? Well, there's a number of reasons. Not many people know about these pieces of software. Did you know? So comment down below if you knew that these things existed, because believe me, not many people know about these artificial intelligence softwares which are 100% free. B, that they've just given up on trying to come up with a name themselves, and C, they probably want to get a few more ideas from different people, and also because it'll take a little bit of time on their behalf, a lot of people would rather just pay some money to get ideas and suggestions for them instead of spending the time themselves. But look, that's today's video. That is how you can go ahead and get paid to come up with names. And if you use these AI softwares that we've looked at in this video, it will speed up the whole process for you. Now, this is a simple side hustle. If you want more ways to make money online, come over to my blog, Not Taught at School. Check this out. I've got an interview series on here, I've got a members area, and also in the description box down below on YouTube, I will drop a link to my free YouTube course and also a link to my free affiliate marketing course. But look, overall, today's video, simple, easy, and it's free to get started with. So if you found the video useful, please give it a like. If you have any comments or questions, let me know. But thanks for watching, have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.